So we finally got our 100,000 subscriber plaque. I'm gonna unbox this thing, but I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. 100,000 subscribers. Let's unbox this thing and see what it looks like. So excited. Let's do it. Alright guys, there it is. Cut the tab. It took me 3 years to get this 100,000 subscribers. Get this little foam out. And there you have it. Video. There he is. I don't know if you can see that. Gavin's Garage. We're passing 100,000 subscribers. Alright, guys, thank you so much for this. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to the channel, now is a great time to do it. Guys, thanks for watching. And as usual, have a great day. Bye.